It's recording right now?
Yeah.
Here we go. The man talking shit about everybody shotgunning a beer having to shotgun his own. Look at that arterial spray.
Kobo's the other one that did the smart way. Sprayed all over me, man. Hell yeah, I got covered.
Come on, Goble, don't baby it.
This is how you shotgun a beer.
Here we go. Look, here it goes. Oh man, I should be shotgun another one. He should have to do number 2.
Did he just throw up?
He's going to regurgitate his shotgunned beer.
I'm good now.
You good now?
I'm good. I'm not gonna.
How do you make this thing stop recording?
You just hit the record button.